To make Nigeria stand as one country, we agreed on rotation. North, south, north, south. Today, any northern candidate who says he's going for president doesn't want Nigeria to survive. Any northern candidate who says he's going for president doesn't want Nigeria to survive, wants Nigeria to disintegrate. Because when you embrace injustice, non-inclusiveness, and such, then all you are saying is to hell to your Nigeria. So, clearly, any northern candidate, anyone, not even just the one who says you should vote only for Northerners and not vote for Yoruba or Igbo. That one, of course, he shouldn't even be mentioned. So, who are running? Atiku is on the north. Kwankwaso is on the north. And all the others who are on the north, they shouldn't qualify. From the south, we have Tinubu. We have various others, but prominent among them is Obi. On the basis of macro zoning is just between north and south. When you go to the north, you will see those who have not held the office before. You can be zoned for them. When you go to the east, you find that my brothers Yoruba have gone under Obasanjo and even right now vice president. And the other south is south-south. And Jonathan has gone. But the other southeast, nobody has gone. Therefore, Obi seems to be the one rightfully going for president. And it is not just a matter of justice, equity, and fairness. Intelligence, capacity, humility, everything that is good for a country, we have it in him. So it is not a matter of preaching. This one, everybody should preach to himself. I saw myself as a humble man when I was governor. But when I left governor, years after I left governorship, I got to Enugu airport and I saw the present governor. He was Obi, and he was carrying his own luggage. I remember I never carried my luggage when I was governor. But, so I said that I wasn't as humble as he is. In many other ways, I think we share many things, but he is more humble than myself. He knows what to do with Nigeria. And I don't want anybody to think I'm doing politics. The truth must be told. Only southern candidates are qualified by the decision of Nigerians. Then within the southern candidates, we look for the best qualified. We have Tinubu, who happens to be my personal friend, whom I helped to become governor of Lagos State. We have Obi. I think the choice is between Tinubu and Obi. May God bless you.